Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to head out to Dollman Beachside Park, which is a place we really enjoy going. I've never sent up the drone to see what was offshore here, so I'm looking forward to this new adventure. Let's head out. Dollman Beachside Park is located around 45 minutes south of Vero Beach on Hutchinson Island South. They have restrooms, a shower and foot rinsing area, ample parking as well as trash and recycle receptacles. Here you can see an aerial view of the facilities offered and the overflow parking in the grass areas at both ends. There are a couple different options for walking paths that lead to the beach. They are currently undergoing dune restoration operations, as you can see. Let's get in the air and see what is out there. Right away we have spotted a small school of fish. You can see them from quite a ways away as a moving black line in the water as opposed to the weeds that are fairly stationary. Next we have our first brief encounter with the dolphins. They were pretty shy initially, but as you'll see later in the video, they got quite playful. Here's a brief look at all the condos near the park. You can see the intercoastal waterway in the background. dolphins are really enjoying themselves. If you watch closely, you can see them playing with the fish they are wrangling. It was so much fun just to watch them playing and seemingly enjoying themselves without a care. Apparently this fish missed the train of the others that we saw later, so now it's all alone. This one is throwing a fish in the air and catching it if you watch closely. This dolphin has wrangled this fish and now he is just watching it and waiting for it to make the next move. I was not expecting this. Out a ways, there are still lines of seaweed lined up to make landfall. Let's take a closer look and see if anything is using these as shelter. Let's zoom in and see what we can see. Look at all those tiny fish using it as a nursery. Next, we came across this larger school of fish moving just offshore. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. This was pretty interesting. Once they reached the cloudier and deeper water, they just disappeared one by one. There were a couple of surfers nearby who didn't seem to be too impeded by all the seaweed coming ashore. Shortly before we decided to leave, we got a quick flyover by some military helicopters. It was a great day at the beach, but now it is time to head out until the next one. We really hope you enjoyed this video of our trip down to Dollman Beachside Park on Hutchinson Island South. Do you think we should do more videos with this type of content? If so, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video enjoyable or informative, please give it a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet, and click the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for stopping by the channel. We'll see you in the next one.